Hey everyone, I'm Jared Abrojena. I'm here with Academy Trained, and today I'm going to be going over some tips and tricks with the throw line. Today I'm going to go over our double bag method. Okay, so when we're shooting into these trees, what happens most of the time is we'll shoot over a general area towards our target, and we may go over multiple unions. What happens when we go over multiple unions, we tend to try to isolate this throw weight and pull it back into that union for isolation and end up pulling it out of that union and having to reshoot again and again. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to install a double bag and to eliminate that from happening. Okay. So if I took this shot through this union here, and we'll use this as an example, I made it through here, but I went through the backside as well. Okay. Now you kind of have two choices here of what we're going to do. All right. Now, if I was installing a basal anchor, this would be fine to go ahead and pull this through basal anchor and ascend up this side of the rope. If I wanted to isolate this side of the rope of this branch here, I can install another line to this system, okay, which I have another throw line here. I'm going to go ahead and clip that on, and I'm going to go ahead and clip it on to the other end as well. Okay, so now what we have called is a double bag. All right, now that I have this double bag, I can go ahead and pull this side back up through the union. Okay, as you guys are going to see, there's going to be two things that are going to take place here. Okay, one, we're going to isolate this. At the same time, what we're going to do is we're going to end up isolating that and creating a whole nother climbing line, a whole nother climbing system on this side of the trunk as well. So it's a 2-for-1. So if you're climbing in a tree where you're going to have multiple climbers come up, you can set two lines within one throw. And that's why I really like the double bag system, is for that, mainly that reason. So as I pull these two bags up through that union, okay, as you guys can see, what's going to happen is we're going to isolate one, okay, and the other. Okay, so by the time these two come down and hit the ground, I now have a line set here and I have a line set here. Okay, this is a very effective and efficient way to set lines in the tree and back yourself up from pulling your throw line out while trying to isolate. So I always recommend having an extra bag or having a whole extra throw line within your day's work. Okay, so keep in mind, when you're multiple climbers in one tree, very quick, efficient way to set two lines. So that's one quick tip for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Come back for more. See us at academy-train.com, and I hope to see you soon.